So here's how to delete watch later playlist on YouTube while using mobile phone. So for that reason, first of all, you need to open up your YouTube application and simply go with the bottom right side corner, which is the profile icon. Tap on that. And now, as you can see, here is the playlist option. So you need to tap on the view all and simply go with the watch later playlist. Here is the watch later playlist that you have. So once again, you need to simply go with the three dots with this video right over here and go and simply tap on the remove from watch later. So once you have done it, the watch later playlist is now empty, but you cannot actually delete the playlist, but you can remove all the videos from here. So you can simply go with the three dots and remove the videos from that playlist and you will done. So that's how you can simply remove all videos, likely delete the watch later playlist completely on YouTube while using your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.